Mala mala naitinas, mala naitinas. Say nung ramkel. Sugar mama. Sugar mama. Say nung sugar mama. Okay. Sugar mana. My bad. Chogo Mana. Chogo Mana, a musician which did me showing mon chaja keb at my right corner. Chaja keb. Ka talk de. Chogo Mana go again or by support ka YouTube. Got a channel till the channel ka million guasame. Na me show the Kampala. Show the Kampala millede. You know? Chinedia support. So let channel jelling man to guasame. Ramajago be bull porka Kampala would Michelle guy. Big boy, Shimugwa Lachi, Sugar Mana, she, the Leka Guaco, Besho, Bejo, Larevika Kampala. Good promotion, a Mugwana mo, Jendana Gurkanum. Parated. Lengi speeder, lengi malade. Yes. Yeah, Norakel. Jendene support de kono ka Facebook page ke na YouTube de ko de na chonkel gaja. No. Let's get this straight. Jen Chogo Mana. Dia je Sugar Mama. Chogo Mana. CHOGOMANA. Chogo Mana. So Sugar Mana Shajor Kondo Konshonga Kelene support. Shana Titi Shana Kamiling take a comment sha comment was me guadana sha posting. So Chana Tito Chana Gamin Queen can comment again. Okay, Tandian don't take a negative but Tandian go okay. Garkele Jenena a generation Gulanad Yarwalai Garamo Ashwale Genji Twang and let me okay some comment guadame Garkele generation Gulanad Yarwalai from grassroots to grace. Who advised her to wear half naked dress ya jamana? No, so comment to goal. Sugar Mana is blessed with Nyash. Whoa, I see the famous Moluda jumping onto the stage. Good performance, Sugar Mana. Something about that James adding up. Michelle should got bell there and more. Mishu comment a crazy comment, guys. Okay, I just like reading comment. Your artist is saying that is I will perform. Dress code is not that good. We need 2 days. This could be one of the most comeback ever in 2025. I'm reading comment, okay? The hips not nyach. Crazy comment here, okay? You are right, sister. Nuer must stop saying Nuer Kongwa, Nuer Kel, Janagwa, Nuer Kel Latok. We'll bring her to town. Go ahead, CC. Welcome back. Okay, she never liked this before, therefore she wore something else. She had an amazing performance. I was blown away by the energy, the vocal, and the overall showmanship. You guys are incredibly talented. Let us show our support to her. I appreciate that Nuer keep promoting our artists all the way. One love, Nuer Kel, Nuer Kadich, Nuer Kel. Well done, Chogo Mana. This performance is truly outstanding. Okay, ke commendation de luang ka social media warana cha gwathen. So well done, Chogo Mana. Shimugwawat. I don't know channel support ka channel leka. Gor jeno biya je search YouTube biya je gor ka Facebook de kan dial gor jeno biya support. Ene jenda na gode nya yakel. Chogo Mana we kel along. So ajen share nena. Good girl.